Assalamu alaikum, it's Tahir Shah. Today I am going to discuss Chemistry FSC Part 1, Chapter 11, Reaction Kinetics. So today's topic consists of short questions only. So first one important question is differentiate between rate and rate constant of reaction. As you know, rate is the change in concentration of a reactant or a product divided by time taken for the, that energy. And rate constant rate constant is a chemical reaction is the rate of reaction when the concentration of reactants are unity. The next important question is that define catalytic poisoning and enzyme catalysis. Catalytic poisoning, the small quantity of other substance which decrease the activity of catalyst, is called catalytic poisoning. For example, traces of arsenic. And enzyme catalysis. Enzymes are globular proteins to, to produce or speed up a biochemical reaction in human body. What is a zero order reaction? A reaction is said to be zero order if entirely independent of the concentration of reactant molecules. Then next question is that what is the effect of temperature on activation energy of a reaction? The temperature provides the kinetic energy to the colliding molecules. As the increase in temperature increases the effective collision of molecules. Hence rate of reaction also increase. Next main question is the radioactive decay is always a first order of reaction. How? If half-life does not depend upon initial concentration of reaction, must be first order. So half-life of radioactive reaction does not depend on initial concentration. So radioactive decay is a first order reaction. The next one is that what is a promoter or activator? Give example. Such substance which activates the catalyst, those substances are called promoter or activator, and this process is called activation or catalysis. Hydrogen hydrogenation of oil is accelerated by nickel. In Haber's process, for preparation of ammonia, iron is catalyst. Next is define the rate of chemical reaction and give its units. The change of concentration of reactants and products per unit time. Its units are mole per cubic decimeter per second. The next question is that how is the enzyme act as catalyst? Enzyme attack the substrate at their active sites and induce change in the substance and convert the substrate into products. Enzyme lower the activation energy of a reaction. The process, the presence of enzyme action is called catalysis. Define energy of activation. Energy required to start a chemical reaction is called activation energy. Next one, what are hydrates? How are they formed? Hydrates, The crystalline substances which contain chemically combined water in definite proportions is called a hydrate. Define rate of reaction and order of reaction. Rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is defined as the change in concentration of reactant and product divided by the time taken for the change. On the other hand, order of reaction. The order of reaction is given by the sum of all the exponents to which concentration in rate equation is raised. Next one is, what is half-life period? The time required to convert 50% of the reactants into product is called half-life period of a reaction. For example, the half-life period for the decomposition of N2O5 is 24 minutes at 45 degrees Celsius.